Hello everyone, I just finished the candle project and these are the finished products. For the wax, I used the paraffin wax and then I put some color in to color some of my candle. And for the flower, this is the project that a few project bags that I made before, but I made some in this video too, so you have the idea how to make. I reused the glass jar from IKEA's candle that I purchased before. If you wonder why I didn't fill the wax up to the rim, it's because when you light the candle, the wax will melt and it needs some space for the melted wax. So it's not overflow. When it's overflowed, you can get accidents, so please be careful. I use stickers to attach the wick to the bottom of the jar. If you have the bigger size of sticker, you can trim the edge down a little bit. I use the wick holder to center the wick. Time to melt the wax. Put the water in the pot enough to touch the bottom of the melting bowl. Carefully pour the wax into the jar, just a little bit over half of the jar. If you need colored candle, add a little bit of your candle color in your melting wax. Now it's ready to pour. I use silicone molds for this project. If you use a deeper mold, give it a little shake so the wax fills every space inside the mold. Don't worry if the wax is overflowed, so you can clean it afterward. Time for demold. Use the X-Acto knife to clean the edges. These are the finished products. For the tea light rose, carefully drill a hole through the rose. I reused the tea lights from that I kept. Attach the wick and sticker at the bottom of the form. Pour the melted wax just to cover the bottom of the form. Time to decorate the candle. Design the candle as you like and then start decorating. I use the heat gun to warm the wax in the jar before decorating. Move the heat gun a little bit around so you not deform the wax. You can also dip the pieces into the melted wax before you decorate it. For the white flowers, I paint them with Inca gold wax in silver color, so just give a little bit shine to them. For this candle, make a hole in the centerpiece and then pull the wick through the hole and gently press down the flowers to the melted wax. For the tea lights, repeat the same way. Don't forget to trim down the wicks before use. I hope you enjoyed this video and thanks for watching. See you in the next video.